What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit subtitles in video in Clipchamp. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Clipchamp. After typing Clipchamp, you will see the first official website of Clipchamp with this icon. Simply click on that website as that is the official website of Clipchamp. So now from here, this is the landing page of Clipchamp. So if you want to sign in, just sign in with your email and password. But if you directly want to start Clipchamp for free, simply click on try for free. After that, as you can see, I am on the home page of Clipchamp. So now from here, click on this create a new video. This will create a new video for you from scratch. From here, click on import media and import the video that you want. Let's say I want this video. Now, after that I have uploaded my video, I will just simply drag and drop it here on the timeline. So now from here on the right side, I will go on the audio options. As you can see, the audio icon here, simply give it a click and then click on detach. Now the audio will be detached from the video and then you need to save your audio at a different place. So after that, when the audio is detached, click on captions, which is above the audio icon. Click on the captions and then click on try now. Now this will generate the transcription like the captions with AI. After clicking on try now, select the language that you want. Like I want this one, and then I will click on transcribe media. After that, it will transcribe the audio and the video, and from here you can change the caption by your words and the size and the color of the captions. So as you will see, I will play the video now and then it will follow all the captions. And as you can see, my caption is also appearing here while playing the video. So this is how you can edit subtitles in video on Clipchamp. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.